Let's look at this question. A spiral is made up of 13 successive semicircles. Its center alternately at A and B, starting with center at A. The radii of semicircles gas DLR 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and so on. The total length of the spiral is. Don't really care about how the shape looks. We are developing semicircles starting from 0.5 and semicircles. So if I'm simply looking at the length of the spiral, I need the circumferences. So half into 2 pi into the radii 0.5 plus the final radii will be 6.5 because there are 13 such things divided by 2 into 30. This will be our final answer. So 2 and 2 cancel. I get 5 7 by 2 into 30. Let me also open up pi. So I get 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 13. So 7 and 7 cancel. 22 and 2 cancel. I get 11. 11 into 13 is 143. So the length of the spiral should be option 143. Don't fall into the trap of thinking about how the shape would look. You simply have to find out the length of the spiral. So that is just the circumference length that you have to identify.